inaccurate trimming or cutting. You may find that your trims or cuts are not accurate, resulting in clips that are either too long or too short. To solve this problem, you need to ensure that you're positioning the playhead accurately before making trims or cuts. Click anywhere on the timeline to move the playhead where you want it. You can also use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to move frame by frame. Or simply zooming in on the timeline can help you make more precise edits. To get a closer look at your clip, use the zoom slider at the bottom of the timeline. Okay. Drag it to the left to zoom in and to the right to zoom out. After zooming in, drag the scroll bar to move around. You can also press the plus key on the keyboard to zoom in and the minus key on the keyboard to zoom out. After zooming in, drag the scroll bar to move around. You can also use the hand tool by clicking on this icon in the toolbar or pressing H key on the keyboard. Then click and drag anywhere on the timeline to move the view horizontally.